kum ke jing Sdang ya ke program ya la Pyrshah yo kenyang jingpang HIV bar ke jingpang AIDS kibala pors tat bha ha ka imlang sa lang ha ka khat ar tari unai lar araja arpusan ka badai ru shibenta ka jing rakhi ya ka International Youth Day Commitment to do Community Social Welfare Association TICC Khliehriat ringkat kejing trailang ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong kala Sdang ya ke intensified IEC campaign da ke Jingïalap rally ha Khliehriat kablai shimbenta da ki khna skul ki nohikai na ki skul beper ringkat ki plakat ya kene ke rally lapun kot ha Khliehriat West Community Hall bar ha kene ke jakapat la don ke Jingïalap pen ngau thu pai ba ha kablai don lang ki officer beper na ke district ha ka bo saljong ar marak MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner ula don komukong san Hakaning segi lasam khusnam ru shaki khna school ba job haka jingthop plakat ke program manager MCSWA kong Renebet Patlong kali thu bahaki arbanai lenter ke jingpen sngau thu pat ba kan yai beteng halor ke jingpur uniu khnyang jingpang kumno banyada batru ban pen sngau thu halor ka an HIV
The year penmania ganika program mo ko angika launching intensified launching program hay to waganika IEC campaign com International Youth Day Hajar arposan kini to ka program ko penmani hagawa ni chukmat hagini urban lenter do penmani gini program hapo ag district takama tipi beto ni gasi hat artrik to woro ag district hapo Meghalaya mudawai gi yaganiga intensified IEC campaign man yo Sdang no ka campaign ha gini gi urban gi chukmat nagi ga daw mo depan man gini program mo ni daw jing yogi wada ku gani ga HIV mo hakini gi hapo ga state ga yong i ni te daw da kwa na ki open man ga kam gani ga program the last year le hi gani ga program last year le chibon gi program depan man chi chnong gi thau mut man ga program ga successful ni te dawan nagaliang yong gana ko National AIDS Control Organization muda kwa ga le sa gani ga second phase nang yo ko objective yong gani ga program to yo pensiau tho yigi bru yo awareness yigi bru chapang ganika HIV AIDS iwa arwan to yo yo jing tipi hay to wa ganika HIV ak mo ni bha ga ma tipi gigi bru kiba mo ni kyang HIV to ki im gi ha ga jing im ko wa cha yo ben ko cha ban ben no tene te daw mi ganika ganiki 2 month intensified program to yo pensiau tho yigi bru chapang ga jing kaman spreng kyang HIV weiwa kaman ka ki ga ga HIV AIDS mo kaman ho yo ben yigi bru ki yo akchut hay joy por la yo batai gi chpang gani ga akchut HIV kam jole hay to wa gani ga akchut STI the need Sdang e garali nei tai na lat stunga da lai ter yo national highway the poi he ni ha Khliehriat West community hall the penmani ga awareness program
Dr. J. Nong Tudu, Medical Officer ka OST Center Khliehriat Civil Hospital, Uliathu, ha East Janda Hills District, uniu kunyang jingpang ulokiu stat bha, bat la jan kot, lai hajar ngut kibriyo kiba im lang bat uniu kunyang. Kumta ula kentui ki pat ba nong song snong ban long ki bahu siar bat ban tip ru yala die laki don na em yaw new khnyang da ka ban patas yala die na ka por la kumnu arsen chi snam kham tam ki tu ki bolong high risk lane ki basngau thu bakar kom em jong ki kalong tmir bat la ban yo yaw new khnyang jingpang
ga program wa i le e hapo ka district yong i ga East Janda Hills da tibi man la kamnu yiu duna ya kan le hajar ki bru ki wa em wa im mo ni khnyang HIV mo ta kini ki ke population hi I kat kam ga statistic yong I ye categorize gi mo em ki man high risk group kita ki high risk group taman I da target ye ki taman bon sen hi da yo ites ki yiu lai cha feel la ni yiu lai cha thawa em gi hotspots mo chumut for example kam ki female sex workers da tibi hinui ki hotspots yong ki ta yiu lai ha ga tu ga hotspot yiu ye slok wa ki lang ba ki PE la ne peer educator ki wa man na background yong ki hi seleki manu seleki ta man yo ya statistic yong ki mo aga vi ga hotspot man ga tu ga peer educator ka yi go man kat tengut em gini gi bru ki wa man la ne wa em ha ga ni ga profession no approximately the man la dam yo 100% le 80 to 90% de yo test ki de yo ka service ka testing bat ka service ta jumut kam ki condom promotion kam ki counseling nang yo prevent ya ka spread yang ka HIV mo ta jumut kam kini ki IDU injecting drug users mo kini le lang ba ki peer educator la ne ki himi ki bru la background yang ki taman yiu yo ya ka statistic approximately apo ka district yang I kadnu ngut mg ye ba yo ka mapping em go sa man yiu le ka mapping man du le e kate taman approach la ye ba yo approach ki lang ba kitu ki background lane kitu ki peer educator te ye ba yo register ki man du register ki man da yo e service ki jo ipor da yo e testing ki every 6 months mo te kam jo le yakini give kam ki kamu orang katne ki truckers ki waya truck kitu le register ki naman ki high risk group target ki mo te hapo is jangtia kam tam ki local ki group nar teman la kamnu 80 to 90% they yo register ki te out of that le the tb man ka status yung ki we already know their status te em gitu ki wadang join temele teman idaw yo ga information lang ba gitu ki peer educator te next program one te dang yo access ki dang yo test ki daw yo counseling ki kamjo le kini ki laborers kini wa wan nagawi ka district sagawi district lani ye I jo lai tori saki industry no coke factory cement factory lani em kinu ki thau ki mechanics ki thau ya langi I jo lai sa field kado kamte kitu le langba kitu ki peer educator yiu yo man ladam yo 100% le yiu yo katu kat ni ki information sa panyong ki te langba katu yiu provide ka service wa ka testing no
Saljong ar marak habakran ulaong ki kun samla ki don ka benta ka bakraw bha ha ka nu ka benta jong ka emlang sa lang kumta ka jingpen sungotu yaki kun samla halor ka ni ka mat ka long ka bakong san bha.
The day when the world acknowledges the vital role that young people play as agents of change, leaders and mobilizers in promoting development. Like other speakers have said, it has been celebrated in the world since 2000. In 2025, the theme is Youth Empowerment for Nation Building, encouraging young individuals to contribute actively to India's development. The international theme of the year is Youth Engagement for Global Action. Its purpose seeks to highlight the ways in which the engagement of young people at local, national and global levels is enriching the national and multilateral institutions and processes. According to Times of India article, the youth of the nation is the carrier of its future, the race that reach far and brighter, the remotest corners of its boundaries. Countries across the globe have been focusing their policies and funds on bringing up talented and stable youth, and this is because of the attention that this section of population has garnered in recent years. International Youth Day is a day that brings into spotlight the issues related to youth that need international attention and celebrates potential of the young achievers as partners of global society. Today's youth face multitude of interconnected challenges, including mental health issues, navigating the digital world, navigating the job market, dealing with consequences of climate change. As former speakers have already spoken about various aspects of the challenges the youth face, I'd just like to have a recap on what they have spoken of. So mental health, depression, anxiety and other mental health challenges is on the rise, fueled by social media pressures, academic stress and lack of coping mechanisms. Technology and social media, while offering connection, technology also brings cyberbullying, addiction, and unrealistic expectations that can negatively impact self-esteem and social skills. Raising awareness, prevention, and support related to HIV/AIDS among young people. This includes initiatives to educate youth about HIV transmission, promote safe sexual practices, reduce stigma and provide access to testing and treatment. To conclude, in our battle against AIDS, one of our potent weapons will be arming the youth with high moral values regarding sexual relationships, besides initiating other prevailing health measures. Efforts of various AIDS control societies have helped reduce the AIDS or HIV from near epidemic situation to a relatively controllable situation. This is all hands off to tireless health workers and health departments, health ministries across the world and across the nation.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam mangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.